Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital journeys smoother. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Polkadot from your Phantom wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial, especially as wallets update their features for better user experience. Whether you're switching for better security or just exploring options, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring in no time. First things first, make sure you have both wallets installed on your device and that you're connected to a stable internet. You'll need some DOT tokens in your Phantom wallet to proceed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app and ensure it's connected to the Polkadot network. If it's not, go to the settings and select Polkadot from the available chains. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet dashboard, select the DOT token, and copy your Phantom wallet address. Double-check this. It's your key to sending funds. Step 3. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. If you haven't added Polkadot yet, head to the Add Token or Discover section and search for DOT, then add it to your wallet. Step 4. In Trust Wallet, go to the DOT token and copy the receiving address. Again, verify it to avoid any mishaps. Step 5. Back in Phantom wallet, select the Send or Transfer option for your DOT tokens. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the Trust Wallet address, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 6. Hit Confirm and wait for the network to process it. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation notification. Finally, head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance to see your DOT tokens safely arrived. Pro tip: always use a secure network and never share your private keys. If you encounter any issues, check the official Polkadot documentation or community forums. There you have it. Your Polkadot is now in Trust Wallet. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.